Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm gonna prepare you pasta. Very delicious. We're gonna start. I already put over here in the water bugatini pasta. This is the one we put it. It's already boiling, so we didn't have to wait. I put about like 4 tablespoons oil, any kind of oil you like. We're gonna put the meat, which is about like a pound, 3/4 pound. Saute the meat first. What we need here, we're gonna need some onion, 2 small onion or 1 big onion, it's good enough. Some tomatoes, about 2 tomatoes, 1 bell pepper. We need a little parsley. We need a little garlic, which I love to put garlic. The garlic, it will give too good taste. And then we need a little bit, half a sausage, just to give taste, but this is a spicy kind. That's why my husband here loves the spicy sausage. So I just slice it very, very little. Make sure every pieces it will cook. Don't let it stay raw. And of course, we have over here some seasonings, pepper paste. This is which I have my own that I prepared it. I would love to show you. It's the most delicious pepper paste. This pepper paste, it's prepared under the sun. It's a red bell pepper it is. I cooked it under the sun. And then we're going to use a little bit tomato paste, black pepper, and salt. And if you like to put paprika, will be good. And here's the pasta which we put. There we go. This is half of the pasta it was. Still it's cooking. I like to do a little bit more than al dente. I like to have a little bit softer. So, now the meat is done. We're gonna put the onion. This sausage is already cooked, so we don't have to worry about being raw. It's not raw. We're gonna be translucent about 2 minutes. We don't have to cook too much. Now we're gonna put this sausage. There we go. And we have to put our garlic. Let's put the basil here. It's about 2 to 3 to 4, as much as you want, because the garlic, it will give very, very good taste in your dish. You can put as much as you please. More it is, it's tastier it is. So feel free to load it. While it's cooking, let's put the pepper too, the bell pepper. So at least 2-3 minutes we have to cook even the vegetables. So we have to mix it so we won't burn it. We can keep as in a low heat until the vegetables done. Now we're gonna add our tomatoes. When you boil your spaghetti, do not forget put a little salt in it. So what it does, the spaghetti get a little bit salty taste in it. We're gonna put tablespoon of tomato paste. We're gonna put pepper paste. Look at how beautiful it looks. This is covered with olive oil. So what it does, it preserves it. It stays like this way for a long time. This pepper, I prepared it, like I said, under the sun. If you like to see, just click on the link, you will see it. All right, now we're gonna put just a little bit salt. I always put the salt at the end. It's already cooked. In case if you need, don't put too much. In case anytime you need it, you can always add it. And you can put a little paprika if you like. And a little bit black pepper, as you please. There we go. You know, usually they put that later on, but I like to put my little basil, Italian basil, in it to be cooked together for last minute. And we need a little parsley. Now what I have to do is I have to drain the spaghetti, and we leave just a little bit liquid here, just about like less than half a cup, just to make it juicier. There we go. We turn it off, and we go just like this, and we'll mix it right in the pan. Look how delicious it looks. Who doesn't want to eat this now? Please come and join me. So delicious. Very beautiful. You can put this in a beautiful plate, or you can just take it like this way at the table. But when you're going to present your guest, of course you have to put in a beautiful dish. There you go. Very simple, easy, beautiful, and tasty. Well, I hope you'll try this spaghetti, this recipe, because it's really, you will love it. You're going to always make the kids, they will love it. My children, they grow with this, and they would love to eat even once a week. They won't say no. So I hope you'll try it, and if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please try that. Thank you very much again for watching. Bye-bye.